This isn't just the return of the Vanquish, it's Aston Martin reminding everyone what the name really means. This 2025 Vanquish is finished in beautiful Xenon Gray paint with black over spicy red semi-aniline leather, spec'd with over $80,000 in factory options, exactly how Aston Martin aficionados prefer. Under the hood is a 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12, producing 824 horsepower, sent through an 8-speed rear transaxle with a carbon prop shaft and electronic limited slip. The titanium isn't just lighter, it delivers the layered, mechanical V12 tone enthusiasts have been asking Aston Martin to bring back. Inside, 2x2 Twill carbon fiber inspire light duotone leather and contrast stitching to create a cabin that feels tailored rather than manufactured. Outside, the extended gloss black pack ties together the splitter, side skirts, diffuser, vent, grille, and wing badges with a subtle precision. Finished with 21-inch diamond turned wheels, red brake calipers, full XPEL paint protection, and a 3-year unlimited mile warranty, this is a Vanquish built for people who actually understand them. To find out more about this car, click the link in our bio and follow us for more weekly reviews. Thanks for watching.